Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brushes and Bunnies, and yeah, in this video we're going to be doing something very chill. Yeah, we're just gonna sit down, have a talk, have a chat, and take a look at some of the things that I bought yesterday from my art haul, or for my art haul. Yeah, I guess so. This is technically an art haul video. The reason why I'm doing an art haul video is something that I don't typically like to do because I find it sort of not that exciting. It's just like, whatever, okay, look at the things you bought, yeah, okay, whatever. I want to do one for this weekend because I don't really have the energy to do a full-on painting or drawing for you guys. The reason why, and I don't really want to talk about it, but I have to say it because I did mention something on my Instagram, was because I was in the hospital this week from Tuesday till Thursday, and was released Thursday night and out officially on Friday. I still have to continue to do some tests and things like that and go see a specialist, so it's like digestive issues, which runs in my family, so I was just not blessed with great genes, but it does run in my family and I need to just take extra precaution. So that is kind of happening in my life right now. I'm fine, I'm totally fine, I feel good, I'm feeling healthy. Yeah, so that's what happened this week, and it was a very horrible week of just, you know, being very stressed and worried and having to deal with symptoms that were just not fun, and you know, it just wasn't a good time. So on Friday, it's kind of the good news, on Friday, since it was my full day off, my husband decided to take me to the art store, and I've been wanting to go to the art store. I haven't been in many months, although I don't technically need to because I've got a whole room full of supplies. I wanted to go because I'm starting up a second hobby, which I'll get to later on in this video. So he took me to the art store, and this art store is amazing. It's something I've never been to before. So it's actually called, the art store in Berlin is called Werken, Spielen, Schenken. So it literally translates to, I think, work. It's like, I don't know, maybe I'm getting the translation wrong. Work, play, and Schenken, like give presents or like gifts or something. So here it is, work, play, gifts, yeah! And it sounds amazing, and it is amazing. It has everything that you can ever imagine. It's like a craft, it's like an art craft hobby store. You can like get anything you want there. It's amazing, it's really fun. It's like heaven on earth, honestly, really fun. And we went there yesterday for the first time, and I just went a little bit crazy, you know, as one does when you're in an art store and you can't control yourself because you want to buy everything. That is me. And it didn't help that my husband was like, yeah, buy more, and he was like egging me on and like peer pressuring me to buy more art stuff because I deserved it, or I was like, I don't know, I think he felt bad because I was in the hospital for a week, you know. So yeah, so I bought a lot of things and I'm gonna show them to you in this video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe for more art videos. I'm officially starting my live streams on July. Hopefully, this is the plan anyways, if nothing else happens in my life that is crazy. So art streams in July, and also don't forget to check out my social media, Facebook and YouTube, or Instagram, for more art things. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I bought was a new sketchbook because I was out, and technically not out of sketchbooks. I have a lot, but you know, it's one of those things that you just tell yourself in order to buy yourself a new one, just because this one is pretty and has roses on it.
This sketchbook contains 50 pages that are 90 pounds in weight, and it is suitable for pencil, charcoal, sepia, wax, crayons, pastel, and it is acid-free and age-resistant.
So I really bought this product because of the front cover, you know, with the pretty roses, and I really love this company. Hahnemühle is really good. In general, I want to get into like more defined sketches, and I want to be able to sell these sketches as well, so this paper is really nice for that because it's professional paper and it's a little bit more thick, so you can technically frame it if you want. Oh, by the way, this sketchbook costs €9.50, okay, for 50 pages, so it's about a little bit under 10 euros. Number two, we got this little book of watercolor paper. It's not a book, I'm just, you know, it's just a palette of, what is it, a palette? It's like a booklet. It's just watercolor paper, I don't really know. And this is watercolor paper, also from Hahnemühle. And I love their watercolor paper actually, and I saw that they had this little mini size, which I love drawing miniature watercolors, so I bought this little guy, and he is $6.50. The third item is a little bit mysterious, and I'm actually not going to show it. I'm just going to have it a little bit pixelated here, so you guys can take a guess what it is. I'm going to be doing a video separate to this on my YouTube channel where I unbox it separately, and I'm going to actually try it. This product I've been looking for over a year, and I have not found it until I went to the store and bought it, and I'm so excited to use it. So this is a mysterious product, and take a guess in the comments below what you think it is, and in the next video I'm probably going to be unboxing it and trying it out. So I'm very excited to show you guys what this is. Okay, so the next item I've got many of them, like a lot. So the easiest way to just show it to you guys is to just show you the, oh my gosh, how do I explain this? I bought a couple things, okay? So I bought, the first thing is this thing. So you guys have probably seen these, or this product on YouTube, kind of like going around YouTube. You know, some YouTube artists have been reviewing it. It's all these like shimmery, shiny paints here. Some of the big guys on YouTube have been reviewing them and incorporating them in their artwork, watercolor, or even sketches and paintings. And this is actually a product that I have not seen before, although they are made in Germany. I was not able to find them at the, you know, Bizna, which is the store I go to. So I found them at this other craft store.
For a box of 6 Coliro pearl colors, it's going to cost you 27 euros and 10 cents. I have yet to give these a try, so I'm very, very excited, but I have seen their reviews from other YouTube artists and they look phenomenal. So I'm very excited to give these guys a try.
Now that being said, this box is not for me, guys. It's not for me. It's actually going to be for my Instagram giveaway, which I will be announcing this weekend, just so you know. But what I did buy for myself are the different types of colors, color variations from this paint. So I've got all these different color combinations. We've got like, here's mint, we've got lavender, moon gold, which is actually the only gold that I bought.
Thanks to my husband, I did end up buying a little bit more than I wanted. I bought 12 pearl colors with its very own metal container. The metal container costs 6 euros, and each of the little colors that you see here cost approximately 4 euros each. So it was quite pricey, but I think in the long run it is worth it because they are watercolor paints, and you know that these last for a very, very long time. The colors are incredibly gorgeous. I'm so excited to try them. I already tried one, which was the mint color, the light green, which I'm pointing at right now. And I tried this on paper and it was just fantastic. So if you're interested in this product, I will leave a link down below and you can check out their website. I'm not sure where they sell in terms of retail stores, but I know for sure that they sell at this German art store that I was at.
Okay, so for the last remaining items that I did buy is actually going to go towards my second hobby, which I'm starting up. It's a little bit weird and a little bit out of my element, but it's something I've been wanting to do for a very, very long time. It still revolves around painting, but it's a little bit on a different surface of painting. All right, so this is, just bear with me, okay? So I'm kicking off another hobby, and I've been wanting to do this for a very long time. It's actually going to be related to taxidermy, and it's, yeah, I know, it's like, oh my gosh, so weird, right? No, it's actually not. It's a really beautiful art form. I love it so much. I have a couple pieces up on my wall right now, and I've been wanting to just play around with them and paint on them and try out different techniques and kind of try to sell them as a sculpture in a way. So I did buy a couple paints, acrylic paint and also some mousse acrylic paint. So it's like a glittery kind of thing. This is Yukon Gold Cream. I've never heard of this product before. I believe it's made in Germany, but I'm going to give it a try. So I've got different colors in this one. And I also just bought like acrylic paint. So we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna see what's gonna happen.
As with anything, starting a new hobby can be a little bit daunting because you're like, oh my gosh, what am I doing? I have no idea. And this is one of those examples where I'm just like, what am I doing? But I just feel the urge to do it. As I did try the Yukon Gold cream and it turned out fantastic. In case you're wondering about the skulls, yes, they are real skulls. This is a red fox skull and they are ethically sourced and sold by a licensed company in Germany that specializes in cleaning skulls or animal skulls. All animals that are donated or given to this company comes from zoos or are hunted legally, I should say, or are found as roadkill, for example, or donated as pets. There's all kinds of different ways that they come to this company, but they are ethically sourced. So it's very important that I do say that because I know the whole commotion around it, and I really don't want to sell items that are not ethically sourced, of course. In any case, I think that this is an interesting little side creative hobby nonetheless, so I'm quite excited to see where this will go, and I'll most likely be selling these pieces on my Etsy store.
That's about everything, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. It's something that's a little bit different. I'm just kind of sitting here talking. I don't have much energy to kind of do a full piece or a full like edit for this weekend, just because I'm still recovering from whatever happened this week in terms of my health. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and give me a comment down below if you did, and also don't forget to like if you did. It does support, and I'm very, very grateful for all of your support. That being said, I wish you guys a wonderful weekend, and keep drawing, don't ever give up, and just continue being awesome. So I'll see you guys next week and for another video. And yeah, so have a great day or have a great Sunday. Bye!